Well, today's tip of the day is going to be the Haas variety avocados. Now, avocado prices a few months ago we did a tip on were very expensive. But now the draw of the avocados, all the summer fruit and summer melons that are out there right now and all the different array of produce, the avocado market, of course, you got the guacamole, you got the avocado toast. It's still very popular, but the prices because of the demand have come down a little bit, which is great for everybody. But selection and storage is always important. When you go to the market to buy the avocados, buy them like this, nice and dark. If you buy them green like this, I'll leave them at home for too long, there's a good chance they're not going to ripen properly. So let the store carry the inventory and sell the ripe avocados. When you bring them home, store them on the counter, never ever in the refrigerator. When they're ready to enjoy, they'll have slight gives to the touch, that's when they're ready. Haas variety avocados, avocado toast, guacamole, summertime, hey, no matter what time it is. The Haas avocado, because of its oil content, is the #1 sold avocado in the U.S. And I'm Tony Tantillo, your fresh grocer. Always remember to eat fresh and stay healthy.